Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Vroid Studio 3D avatar, the manga avatar or cartoon avatar into Blender 3.4 together with the facial shape key. The Vroid Studio is an awesome software that can allow you to create unlimited manga 3D avatar and also the cartoon 3D avatar. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step how to perform this. The first step, what you are going to do is just go to my video descriptions to download the Vroid to FBX converter version 1.0. Once you get it, then actually there are three components. The first is the Blender 2.9 with the VRM importer that given by me. Then another two are the Cat's Blender plugin master and also the VRM add-on for Blender release. Alright. So once you already download it, the Blender 2.9, you have to extract the zip file. But the rest of the two, the Cat's Blender plugin and also the VRM add-ons, you just maintain it as zip file. Then you need to make these three available. And now I already make it available on my desktop here. And then next is the Vroid Studio. Go and download the Vroid Studio. And also the Blender's latest version, because in this tutorial we focus on Blender 3.4, the latest versions. Now I'm going to open the Vroid Studio. Right. As demo, I'm going to create an avatar very quick. Just create new. And now loading, just wait for a moment. Right. And I'm going to create it as fast as possible. This is just a demo. I'm going to create a female avatar. Then next, I may just go to the face just to add some eyelashes, for example, if you like it. Then also the lip. Then the face. Right, it's okay. Next, I'm going to go to the outfit to apply one. Just for example, this. Then I'm going to change the shoes. Right. Once done already, always remember in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import it into Blender 3.4. Before that, from your Vroid Studio, you have to export it. You have to export it as VRM. You have to click here to export it out. Export as VRM. Once click it, then you have to wait for a while. It's show not responding, but just be patient. This is just a moment. Right. Next, click export. First, you just put the name here. As demo, I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. Name model01. So I'm going to export it here. So the title model01. The creator, I put my name, Freedom Arts. Then click export. It is on my desktop, the folder model01. Model01.vrm. I click save. Export. Just wait for a while. Now it is exporting. Later after finish, it should be here. Now the VRM is ready. At the same time, here once you already finish exported, just click here. Then it will back to the customizations GUI here. You also can save the project. Just click here, save as desktop model 01, the model 01. This is just the project. Next time you still can open this file, the Vroid file, by using the Vroid Studio. Now consider it's done. Next, open the Vroid to FBX converter. The first thing what you are going to do is open the Blender 2.9 that given by me. Double click the Blender. Next, from the folder, just back to the previous folder. You can see these two are the plugin. You have to make sure you install these two plugin. So click here, Edit, Preferences, then click Install. Here, install. It is on my desktop. VRM, this one, the Vroid to FBX converter. The first plugin that you are going to install is the Cat's Blender plugin. Double click. Then it will install. Next, click Install again. The second one is the VRM add-on for Blender release. Double click. Next, you have to make sure you search it here, Cats. Then make sure the Cats Blender plugin, you have to activate it. Tick it. Then another one is the VRM. You have to make sure the VRM format import export. You have to tick it as well. Then close. Then now this Blender 2.9 is ready to import the VRM. The first thing what you are going to do is just select these three, the camera, the cube, and also the point light. Just press delete button to delete all. Then you press N. Press N on your keyboard. You should be able to see the Cat's Blender plugin is at here. Then click the triple line here to import the VRM. Click here. It is on your desktop. Then model 01, the VRM is there. Just now I saved the VRM file on my desktop there. Double click, that it is going to load. The next step, click the wrench here, untick everything. We only want to left the fixed material. Make sure it is activated. Click OK. Then click Fix Model. It is going to fix everything. Right now, once done already, just save as a blend file here. Click File, save as the blend file. It is this folder is on my desktop, model 01. Then the Blender project name this as model 01 as well. Click Save As. Now we can see it is already there. Now you can close the Blender. And always remember, in this tutorial, we are going to import the Vroid Studio 3D avatar into the Blender 3.4. For today's latest versions, I already installed the Blender 3.4 in my computer. You can see the Blender 3.4 already there. Once already installed the latest version of the Blender, you double click this blend file, double click it. Then it is automatically opened by using the Blender 3.4. The latest versions. This is the Blender 3.4.1 for today's date, 24 March. It is the latest version. Right now you can see it already open. If you want to try to animate the face or the facial shape key, you have to click the face. At the same time, here you have to find, this is the one. Then you can see all of the shape keys are here. For example, the angry, fun, joy, all of the facial shape key at here. You can create any of the keyframe to perform the animations. At the same time, all of this, the skeletons, is also already okay. You can try to animate there. You can see already ready for you to create the animations. Right. That's all for today about my tutorial on how to import the Vroid Studio 3D avatar, the manga avatar, the cartoon avatar from Vroid Studio to Blender 3.4 with facial shape key. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you loved my video tutorial, If you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing. See you!